Here we are at sheet metal shop. First of all, we'll introduce you to the prerequisites of this shop.
Metal sheets are the fundamental form that are used in metal making process in sheet metal shop. Metal sheets are made through various industrial processes. Due to its ability to be molded into various shapes very easily, it finds its application into making various objects. These objects can be as small as blades and it can be as large as aircraft bodies.
As the name itself suggests, in sheet metal shop, we make use of sheets and work upon it using tools and equipments, and the processes include cutting, giving shapes, edge folding or bending. Now we see different machines present in this shop. The first one we have here, it is shearing machine. The use of this machine is to cut sheets to various lengths. I'll show you the working how it is used. First we take the handle and we put it here to cut the sheet. The next machine we have here is edge folding machine. This machine is used to fold the edges or any sharp sides of the sheet. First we place the sheet inside this edge folding machine and then we take it upside and we get the folded edge. This machine is circular cutting machine. Using this, we get circular plates of various sizes. Here we have the circular arc of a particular radius that we have set. This here we have a bench vise. It is used as a holding tool. Here we have arbor machine. This is used to give shapes using dies. As you can see here, we have a huge machine. This machine is known as steel body power press machine. It is mainly used for making washers. Now we have sir who will tell you how to make this washers. First, we place this metal sheet onto the machine and we press the foot pedal. And see, we have get two operations. First is piercing and the other is the washer, which is formed by blanking operation.
Now let us introduce you to different tools that are used in various processes in this shop. To begin with, the first we have is T-square. This is used to make perpendicular lines to the baseline. The next tool that we have is straight snip. This is used for cutting metal sheets. The next tool that we have is mallet. This is generally used to give soft and light blow to the metal sheets. It is generally made of hardwood. Next important tools that we have in this shop are stacks. They are generally used to give support to the metal sheets. Depending upon the type of support that we want to give, we have different sort of stacks. The first one that we have is half moon stack. The second we have is square edge stack. The next we have is crescent stack. This is round edge stack. This is sharp edge stack. This is conical stack. This is 3-man horse stack, and the last one that we have is decon stack.
Now we are going to demonstrate you how we are going to make a square tray of size 100 cross 100 cross 25 millimeter cube. For this we take a metal sheet, and on that the process include measuring of size 160 by 160 so that we can compensate for the allowances of edges and flaps. And then the second step is marking on the sheet.
After cutting out the metal sheet, this is a square sheet that we have of dimension 160 cross 160. The next step that we have in this process is surface development. In this, we'll give allowances for edge folding as well as flip folding. For edge folding, we'll give allowance of 5 mm, and for flip folding, we'll give allowance of 25 mm. For this, we'll make marking and measurements on the sheet. This is a marking of 5 mm for edge flipping. The next marking that we have is of 25 mm. This is for flip folding. After cutting out the 160 x 160 sheet from this big metal sheet, and after the surface development of the sheet, we have this sheet. In this, we have 5 mm allowance for edge folding. We have 25 mm allowance for flip folding. And this is a 100 x 100 base area of that square, the final square tray that we will have. And also, we'll cut out triangular pieces from the edges. After cutting out triangular edges from these corners, we will have a metal plate like this. The next step that we'll have is to fold these edges and also to fold these flaps. The important point that we have to take in mind is that folding of edges and folding of flap has to be in opposite direction. For folding these edges, we will use edge folding machine. For this, we'll insert the edges into this machine and we'll move the handle upside. Similarly, we'll fold the edges of all the four sides. Once we've folded all the sides of this tray, the next step that we have to do is to use mallet and press these edges to make them plain. For this, we'll use different sticks and also mallet. Similarly, we'll fold all the four edges. Once we have folded all the flaps, the next step that we have is to do fencing. For this, let's fold these sharp corners a bit. The next we'll use a square shaped stick for fencing purpose. For this we also use mallet. Similarly, we'll fold all the four the sharp edges.
And now we have obtained the finished product, and the dimensions are 100 mm length, 100 mm width and 25 mm height.
Now we would like to thank sir who have helped throughout the process.
Virendra Chaudhary, JWI.